Welcome to the Galleon Kitchen. We have tons of peach. We're gonna make peach cobbler for the first time. Let's go. Grab your pot, fling in some peach. 4 tablespoons of butter. 1/4 cup of orange juice. 1/3 of brown sugar, only because my peach is ripe. 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pinch of salt, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Grab a pan or a baking dish and you just pour in your mixture. Grab a bowl and add 3/4 cup of flour. 1/2 cup sugar. 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder. Fling in a pinch of salt. 1/2 cup of milk. Mix. 4 tablespoons of butter and 1/2 tablespoon of lemon zest. Wrap it in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes.